How to fix Roblox error code 280. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So Roblox error code 280 means that your Roblox app is old and needs updating. And here's how you can fix it. First of all, you can go for automatic update Roblox. You need to completely close the Roblox app if you're using one, and then launch your web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, click on any game to start playing, and Roblox will automatically check for and install updates. Another method you can try is you can clear the Roblox cache. For that, press Windows plus R in your keyboard, type in %local app data %, hit enter, open the Roblox folder, delete everything inside that folder and restart your computer and try launching the Roblox again. Now you can also try reinstalling the Roblox. For that, you can again press the Windows plus R button in your computer, then type in appwiz.cpl, tap on OK. Here choose Roblox or Roblox Player, and then click on uninstall. Once you're done uninstalling, go to its official website and reinstall it again. You can also try checking for the Windows updates. For that, press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Go to Update and Security, tap on Windows Update and then tap on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. So after trying these steps, Roblox should update and the error should be gone. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the error code 280 on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.